All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back with a new car. I want to shout out to Kyle. If y'all watch the videos, y'all know who he is. He comes to the events, brings the generator, air compressor. He does a lot, and I appreciate everything he did. He also called me one day to do him a favor, and in return, I end up getting this. So I'm not gonna get into the specifics, but thanks to Kyle for this one. So this is the Losi R8. This is the 1/6 scale. It does have the stock system in there. I'll probably take it off at the end of the run. I just wanted to get it out for a quick cruise, make sure everything is good with it. Just run it in the parking lot. These are hard to come by now, so I was glad I was able to get it, and for the price I got it for. So it's on 6S. I do need to get some 4S batteries, 2 4S's, so I can run the 8, and we'll see it on that next time. So for right now, it's just gonna be on 6. I'm gonna do some little runs back and forth. I didn't even bring a GPS to see what it was doing, but probably do a little sideshow of it. It did come with some brand new tires, but I'm gonna beat those up and then put the brand new ones on. I'm in the old parking lot. For those who've been around for a while, this parking lot empty. I'm thinking that we should use this for, because in the winter we're not sure what we're gonna do. Right now we're looking for an indoor spot, but it's hard to come by one. We're not giving up, but we also don't want to stop racing. So I'm thinking for the winter we're gonna do some on-road racing, and we probably could do it in this parking lot. I might be able to do some drag racing. But anyway, sorry for the babbling, y'all. I was just giving y'all an update. It's been a little minute. We got a couple more races coming up, and then the drag racing season is going to be over for the outside. We'll still be doing testing and tuning maybe, but no, we're not going to be doing no more events till next year. So let me go ahead and crank this car up and let y'all see it running. All right, y'all, this is on 6S. This does have the stock system in here. I do need to do a little bit of trimming. Sorry about that. First time running it, y'all. Let's go to the right. Steering accuracy is sharp. Oh, that thing moving on 6S. I could imagine 8. Pull into the, sorry about that, guy. Car do got some power. I do need to make the suspension maybe a little bit tighter, but let's cut a few corners and see how it do for on-road. This thing is a big beast. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving this thing. It got some speed for 6S, 8S, true. Well, for on-road anyway, I don't think I'll be doing 8S because that might be too much. But this thing is running. Let's see if we can get a nice clear pass on it. Nice, good stretch. I got the steering wheel kind of high, so I am overcorrected. So let me go ahead and turn that down. Sorry about that, guys. Also, I'll tell y'all once I finish. All right, let's see what it do. That's moving if you ask me. It is moving. Get one more. Full throttle. Moving. Loving this thing right now. I'll take the top off and show you how the inside. But what I wanted to say is I'm using Hero 10 right now. My GoPro got smashed when I was riding, and I had the warranty on it, so I just took it in and they upgraded me to a 10, maybe for like 70 or 80 more bucks. But not sure how the video is gonna come out, but y'all let me know what y'all think. I know the stability on it is supposed to be 4 times better, so that means I'm using the mic as well, so hopefully y'all hearing me. But it's supposed to be 4 times better, so you're not supposed to be getting no shaking at all. So what I do want to do is put a GoPro on the car itself and run it. But that'll be in another video. This is just a warm-up video with this. Definitely want to get it out. Right now, I am going to do some test hits with it. See what it do. You know I couldn't resist, huh? What I do want to get for this is some foam tires. Definitely need some foam tires for this. All right, let's see what she do. Pretty straight. A little cogging off the line. That was pretty straight. Oh, good thing I didn't go further than that. I would have ran into something. Alright, hold on, guys. Alright, guys, we back. Sorry about that. I was just trimming it out and I didn't want to bore y'all with that, so. I also got an Armatalian. Shouts out to Brian. If y'all watch the videos, y'all know who Brian is. Shout out to Brian. Got an Armatalian for free. I will get that out and run it. Not sure what I want to do with it yet, but I definitely want to. It needs a body and some tires, and then it will be ready to run. But I got the next video should be an update, let y'all know what's going on, and then we'll go from there. But I just wanted to get out and run this and get it on video as well. Alright guys, let me call it a wrap before I mess something up. Alright, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. So far I'm loving it. It's on 6S and it's a beast, so I could imagine it on 8. And it does have the stock system in here. So let me actually go ahead and pop that off. See with this, it take 8 clips, 8 body clips. I'm used to 4. So for 8, that's a lot. So we won't be popping the top on this too much. But my local hobby shop also has a TP motor for a 5th scale. I think I might grab it and throw an XLX2 in here just to mess around with and see what it do. I know I've seen a few people do speed runs on this as well. I might mess around and do some speed runs. We'll see. Alright, that's the stock setup. I'm running 6S in here. No, that's the stock. This is a 1200 kV motor. Oh, you can tell that the gearing is a bit high. That's probably why I got a lot of power on 6, because the motor is kind of warm. ESC. ESC ain't that hot. I haven't gone through the diff or anything. I just came out and ran it. Got it a couple days ago, so. Alright, y'all stay tuned. There's gonna be more of this. It's gonna be an update. This weekend we have our local point race and our list race. So we're gonna wrap up the killer season with that, and then we have a prep race coming up. So I never use prep. I don't plan on it. I know it's something in the future that's coming, but I just ain't a prep guy, so I'm gonna stick to what I know. But anyway, y'all stay tuned for more to come, and I will be throwing an update out there. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in, y'all.